I just got a call from Akshay, and first thing he said is brakes have gone, brakes have gone. Oh my god. I knew that this guy would screw up. That's why I stopped here. He's not using his maps and he's gone off straight. Okay, all set. Let's just get this down. Final check, final check, final check. So guys, this is the hotel we stayed in. It is called JM Residency, and the stay was pleasant. We had a pretty good time. Let's go. What routes it takes us through, man. Turning left, Ogalanti. The roads you take us in is mind-blowing. I have no clue if this is an actual road. Oh. 1 kilometer. என்னம்மா இப்படி பண்றீங்களேம்மா? ஐயோ ஐயா. జరగండి ఎక్కడ పోతా ఉండారు, ఎక్కడ పిలుచుకొని పోతా ఉండావు గూగుల్ ఆంటీ. We have 2 aunties walking in the middle of the road. Hey, I really want to get to Valparai, but we haven't eaten anything so all this while, because the hotel doesn't serve breakfast. It's either ways 2:30, and I really want to see Valparai during the daytime today. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious? Damn it. Did you all see that, guys? What is this, man? Back to back accidents, every day we're seeing accidents. Forget driver, imagine the passenger sitting on the right side. Shit. Horrible accident, horrible. I wonder what's happened to those passengers and the driver and everyone inside. And it was horrifying to look at. So we're heading towards the Palani route. So that is the closest way to get to Valparai. Palani is supposed to be a major religious destination of Lord Muruga. So we have a lot of crowd going that way today, and moreover it is season for people to actually put for devotees to go and visit the temple at this point of time of the year. Oh god, I think this is what hit the bus. Shit. So the place we are heading to right now, Valparai, is supposed to be a beautiful place filled with tea estates, and it is also a part of Anamalai and Periyar Tiger Reserve, if I'm not wrong. So it's a very nice spot to see and to actually stay in. So Akshay didn't want to stay, lay over there for the night, but I wanted to. But luckily we left late, so we have no other option but to stay over at Valparai, so that we can go to Masnangudi tomorrow. So I'm really excited to get there and show you all the place. That's what I'm actually excited for. Because what better than living the moment with all of y'all instead of living it alone. Where are we? Oh, we are at Udumalpet. This is Udumalpet. Spot Akshay in my rear view mirror. I'm sure that he's stopped off somewhere to take a picture. So we need to take the left here. And even worse, he doesn't use Google Maps, so he just goes according to where the road takes him. He's got 3 phones with him, but he doesn't use a Google Map. I knew that this guy would screw up, that's why I stopped here. He's not using his maps, he's gone off straight, so taking the left. Hey, Akshay, we're supposed to take the left over there. I've been telling you constantly, keep up with me, don't stop anywhere. You're supposed to take the left over there.
I had no idea.
You had no idea, you're not using your maps also. Turn back. I was waiting right there, you didn't see also. Pissing off, man. Pissing off. We are supposed to get to the check post on time. We already left very late. On top of that, all of this. It's so easy to keep a tank bag with your phone inside it, and it's got provision to keep your phone inside it also, so that you can use your maps. I have no clue about where they're taking us, and I can't see Akshay. A lot of diversions, man. That's such a beautiful place to be in, man. Such a beautiful place. Check out this amazing view. You cannot find something like this in Bangalore. The places around Pollachi, Valparai, Coimbatore is filled with lush greenery, and you can see the mighty Western Ghats on the backdrop there. It's covered mostly by mist, and mainly because of sunlight which is hitting the other side of the mountain, the other side of the hills rather. It looks humongous. I'm sure it looks tiny in the camera, but it looks humongous from where I'm sitting and seeing it. Wow. 67 kilometers, and it's going to take us 2 hours to complete it. So imagine the road ahead, guys. I'm sure there are going to be some crazy viewpoints and hairpin bends and all of that. Hello. Bara. Brakes have gone now. Where are you? One check it. Check in. That's why I kept telling you check. You should check before leaving. Coming, wait. nuts adani continuous riding alle you should check all the nuts and bolts. For vibration it must have got loosened up and it must have gone. Easier pushing his vehicle. Okay, let's see what's wrong with this motorcycle.
முள்ள போங்க முள்ள போங்க ஒன்றும் அவசரமே இல்லைங்க முள்ள போங்க அங்கே போய் பார்த்து.
Worst thing to happen at the wrong time. Oh god. So the bolts and nuts of his brakes, front brake, the disc unit has come off. So the small little cycle workshop guy didn't have them. He asked us to go about 2 kilometers down the road to this place called Arsampatti. He said that there are a couple of workshops there and there's also a spare part shop out there, and we might find it there. I hope there's nothing major going to happen because his brake pads are constantly rubbing against the discs as he's riding, so we're trying to keep it as slow as possible. I hope nothing goes wrong. Oh, good lord. This is the most beautiful sunset ever. What a beauty. I was initially in a hurry to reach our destination, but now I almost don't want to reach our destination. This looks so beautiful. ஆனால் இந்த டிஸ்க் பிரேக்குது ஒரு நட்டு உண்டு போயிருக்கு முன்னாடிங்களா. மோட்டர் பைக் கேரேஜ் எங்கே வருதுங்க? கேரேஜ் நேராக போகணுங்களா? That's a two-wheeler spare part shop. So luckily we just found a spare part shop. So we're gonna go and see, and this kind man on the way helped us out by suggesting what size it is. He said there's a garage down the road, so let's quickly go see what we can be done. We found a nut, but that is of a screw type, not of the Allen key type that we have.
Okay. ಅದು 80 ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. 80 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು, 80 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು.
So we're just getting it fixed, as you can see, and our man is still on a call even at this situation. So finally we found a nut, and this man, I don't know if you can see him, show some light on his face. Sir, unga per sir? Muthu. So Mr. Muthu is kind enough to actually help us with fixing all of this, and he actually came by to the garage to show.
Yeah, I have to show him.
So thank you so much, sir. So if not, Mr. Akshay must have been sleeping in the middle of the road right now. So it was this nut that was off, and what happened was after this nut came off, the caliper also came out and he jammed his brakes. So while jamming his brakes, the caliper has gone to, it's compressed and it's gone stuck into the shoes. So because of which we had to separate the brake shoes apart and then get the thing back. So luckily it is done. I hope it is running well. You can see Mr. Muthu was sent by God himself to help us out, and we were also warned about the route after the next 15-20 kilometers, because it seems it's going to be a heavy guard section. Moreover, there's a lot of elephant problems along the way. So I'm just going to quickly put my mic in, and I'm going to start action recording so that I can charge as well as record at the same time.